Welcome to a tour of daily, weekly and monthly planners. This is version 2.0 of the template and I'm excited to show you the new features. So let's get started. If you're upgrading from version 1.0, the main difference is that our planners are now organized in a separate database. And now let's start with an overview of entries. This is where you can add pages to your daily, weekly and monthly planners. Click the plus new button or one of the buttons in the quick action section to add a new daily page. The template will open with all details pre-filled, including the date. Below this, you'll be able to schedule your day by the hour, set daily affirmations, set your top 3 priorities for the day, add to-dos, and reflect at the end of the day. And if you click on any of the buttons, you'll be able to add more affirmations, to-dos, and lines. And that was the daily planner. Now let's go to the weekly planner. As you can see, it follows a similar layout to the daily planner. Here, you can schedule your entire week, set weekly goals, add weekly tasks, take notes, and reflect on the week. So that was the weekly planner. Now let's go check the monthly planner. Here you can see all the entries for the month. And once again, you'll be able to set monthly goals, set your top priorities for the month, and reflect on the month. All the entries are organized into our planners. And if we open any of them, you'll find all the entries made for that planner. And you can also access previous entries. At the bottom of the template, you'll find 2 calendar views, where all the entries of the week and the month are. This calendar is useful because you can view your weekly entries, your daily entries, and your monthly entries. So on Monday, you can see weekly and daily entries, and on the first of the month, you have the monthly entry. So that concludes the tour of the Notion planners. If you like this template or want to upgrade to this newer version, you can download it for free using the link in the description. And if you liked this video, a like will mean the world to me. And if you enjoy my content and want to see more templates, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!